Yeah, in regards to long-term care planning, are there any pros or cons to transferring assets to family members?
Thank you. That is a good question. So when you're looking at future eligibility for Medicaid services, you're looking at a service that is really based on your ability to meet the financial criteria. And so when they're considering someone who has applied, they're going to look at assets. And one of the big ones that they look at is, have you given away or transferred assets without a value back to you? And they look back 60 months. And that gets to be a big stumbling block for people if they don't plan carefully, and if they don't categorize assets correctly. So when you're looking at what happens if you want to transfer assets, you should really get familiar with the rules, hire an attorney or someone else who knows the rules really well to go through with you to tell you what's permissible and not permissible. The Medicaid rules, I like to say, are kind of like the income tax rules. There's a jillion rules, but there's also 2 jillion exceptions to the rules. So if you learn and study or pay somebody to assist you with understanding the rules, you can come up with a plan if that is something that's being considered to do gifts, where you can plan for you plan purposeful ineligibility for a while before you actually become eligible, and you can do that as long as you know what you're dealing with. But you wouldn't ever just go out if you're anticipating a loved one needing Medicaid services within the next 60 months. Don't ever go out and just give away assets. That's going to cause a big problem coming down the road, and it can really delay eligibility qualification process, because they will go back and search 60 months to see what's happened. And you have to explain any kind of transfer. I don't know if that answers the question well enough, but you can follow up if you like.